Hi guys, welcome to another farming video. Now I have started carding the cucumbers because I don't want them to drop on the ground, so I chopped some sticks and run some strings and get them carded. But I still have a lot more carding to do, so I'm gonna make a video about that when I am doing it so you guys can see how I get that done. Now the cucumbers have started to bear. Don't know if you guys can see it because the sun is really hot right now. So that's a small cucumber right there, and I mean they started to burn because the time is very cold, but I've been using some condenser on it, so hopefully it won't burn any further. And this is a cucumber with blossom on it. This is a blossom. So there you have it. There's a cucumber with the blossom, and the blossom will fall off as the cucumber started to get bigger. So this is my cucumber, guys. I use 1122 Diamond A fertilizer along with sulfate, so I mix those two together. That's what I use to fertilize the cucumbers. As you can see, guys, I still have a lot more work to do in the cucumber because I have to get them weed out, and I have to finish carding these as well. So hopefully I get to show you guys when I am carding the rest of the cucumber, because I don't have any tripod stand right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray these off. So what I do, I spray every week. I spray the cucumber every week to keep off all the insects and to stop the cucumber from burning. So this is the cucumber.